online to see how you would make. I looked online to see how you would make whatever it is that I'm cooking here. I looked online. Yes, I did. I looked. Everybody seems to be using tempeh or seitan. I don't know how to pronounce that. Blah blah blah. Open sesame. Oh my god! We're gonna get it. It's gonna be a lot of editing. It's gonna be a lot of editing. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Heathen Vegan, an online, mostly gluten-free vegan cooking channel where I show you guys how to make some really good food that's good for you, that's good for the environment. Try to make sure that the products that I use are as pure and as whole as they can be. The purpose of my channel here is to show you guys that you can take mainstream comfort food and you can turn it into food that's good for you, that's good for the environment, and that tastes really, really good. Today's going to be one of those adventure videos where I'm pretty much testing out a recipe. So we're going to see today if I can actually pull this off. What I'd like to do right now is I'd like to make Rueben egg rolls with Russian dressing. So we're going to start with our meat, so to speak. I decided that since I had bought bulk yuba, because yeah, yuba's really good, that I was going to attempt to make corned beef out of yuba. And so that's what we're doing today. We're going to make Rueben egg rolls, vegan, gluten-free Rueben egg rolls with Russian dressing. I've already taken the yuba sheets and I've already soaked them. So right now I'm going to drain them and then I'm going to put the rest of the ingredients in. We're going to start to actually get our corned beef ready. This right here should be the longest part of the process. After we get these guys all marinated and looking pretty and all that other good stuff, we should be able to make our egg rolls. I use beet juice to turn this into that red color that corned beef actually to simulate the corned beef color. So if you guys aren't aware, yuba is actually it's the skin of soybeans, and they take it and they dry it, they flatten it out and they dry it. It gets turned into tofu. And when it gets turned into tofu, obviously tofu has no flavor, so I want to make sure that this is going to be flavorful. Now that we got that going, I'm gonna put the little ingredients in first, so it can soak into the yuba sheets, and then after that, I'm gonna put in the pickled beet juice, and then I'm gonna put in the vegetable broth, so that all the other ingredients are actually right on the yuba themselves. It's been about 15 minutes now. I gotta tell you, this corned beef stuff is looking really, really good. I don't know if you can see it, but it's looking like real meat. So that was a plus. Yay! So now what I'd like to do is this is just about ready. I am gonna cook this up a little bit before I actually put them in the egg rolls and we start cooking them up that way. But what I want to do first is I want to make the Russian dressing so that that's done out of the way and that can sit in the fridge for a couple minutes while we get the rest of the stuff together. For this next part, you're going to need a half a cup of vegan mayonnaise. You're going to need a quarter cup of ketchup. You're also going to need a dash of hot sauce. That way. You're going to need about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast flakes. You'll need about a tablespoon of lemon juice. You'll need some salt, some pepper, some paprika, garlic and onion powder. You'll need about a teaspoon each of those. And then you'll need 2 tablespoons of some chopped Then you'll need about a quarter cup of some chopped white onion, and then 2 tablespoons of some chopped pickle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hand drain mine. It's going to work out the best. Get them in the pan. Somewhat of a high heat, Now you can do this a couple of ways. I'm going to just traditionally oil mine. I'm going to fill this like halfway up and let that warm up. You can air bake these if you choose to. If you want, you could also bake them if you wanted to. You could preheat your oven to like 400. You could brush them with some olive oil, let them bake in there for like 20-25 minutes. Air bake would be probably about like 400 degrees at 20 minutes. I'm going to traditionally just fry these.